step into the 2012 Buick LaCrosse. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: audio system with navigation, AM/FM Sirius stereo, single CD DVD player and MP3 player, 80 GB hard drive device, HDD, with 30 GB for music storage, HDD-based voice-activated navigation and USB port, located in the center console, power steering, power door locks, auxiliary audio input, MP3 player, rear parking aid, child safety locks, stability control, and satellite radio. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.